Today we'll go over how to use keywords, which will help you find the articles you need in databases. Before you begin your search, try to think of your research topic as an open-ended question. For example, how does smartphone use impact adolescent sleep? While you might be tempted to type this entire question into a research database, you'll have much more success if you break your question down into what are called keywords. When selecting your keywords, try to choose the 2 or 3 most important terms in your research question. Looking at our question, I might use the terms smartphone, adolescent, and sleep as keywords. Let's execute this keyword search in EBSCO Discovery Search. To start, go to your portal page and click the link to the library on the left side of the page. In the middle of the page, click here to search EBSCO Discovery. Now click on Advanced Search. Enter your Shea Library email address and password. Your password is your phone number without any dashes or spaces. In the first box, I'll enter the term smartphone, in the second adolescent, and in the third sleep. This will search for articles with all 3 of those terms. However, it's a good idea to list synonyms for your words, like teenage for adolescent, because different articles will use different terms. If I click inside the box for adolescent, it will give me synonyms. I will choose adolescents or teenagers or young adults or teen or youth. In the sleep box, I will choose sleep deprivation or sleep disturbance or reduced sleep or sleep loss or lack of sleep. Click Search. To access any of these articles, click on the title. Here is the article's record page, which includes, if you scroll down, the abstract, a summary of the article. If you click on Access Options, you can choose PDF or online full text to read the article. You can email the article to yourself by using the Share button on the right side of the page. Click on Email, then enter your email address, then click on Send. If you have any questions or need help with your research, email shay.library@aic.edu.